Hey all, MidAtlanticMunition here, coming at you with an unboxing plus. This is from ColeTac. This is their Quick-Close Bino Pack. Got this from the site. Got a couple other accessories to go along with it. We're going to take a look at that here today. Not in any particular order. Coming up out of the box first, we've got the back pouch. Think of this like a backpack. Then we've got the Quick-Close Bino Pack itself. This is the main component of the system. The harness is inside, hint, hint. And then lastly, we've got the sidecar pouch, goes on anywhere. A little bit of nonsense, plus a box. Let's get that all out of the way. Getting ourselves set up here, you can see that I ordered this in multicam. These all come in 7 different options. Ranger green, gray, different types of camo, you name it. So we're diving in here first to the Quick-Close Bino Pack. Now again, this is the main component of this system. Pretty cool little system too. Comes in sub 1 pound. It's got both front and rear zippered pockets, pretty durable zippers, if I can say. This is Cordura fabric pouch. These are clip-in retention straps. That's part of the harness system. Moving on to one of my favorite features, you're going up here to the top. This is a magnetic zipper. Now, it's not a true zipper. It doesn't close in the most securest of senses. But, you know, for those of us who need to quickly get inside this pouch, you also are looking for it to kind of close on its own, not stay open, flopping, you name it. It's a pretty cool little feature. It's definitely unique. Moving back to quality, this is some serious stitching in this pouch. It's some thick, durable material. These zippers are not going anywhere and are going to work for quite a while. ColeTac is making some good stuff. They definitely believe in their quality control, and you gotta love a company that stands behind their product. Now, the Bino Pack and any of these other accessories are not going to stay on you without this super critical component. Now, that's the Squadron fabric back panel there. You can see the moly cutting in it, laser cut. Check out these straps, all color matching, which is super cool. Uses these plastic buckles to clip in. I think you got 2 on top. And then 2 on either side of the Bino Pack. So this is where we start to really integrate the system. We're bringing into it the back pouch, again, also multicam, also Cordura, about a quarter pound. It just integrates right in with moly straps, and then boom, a system. Pretty durable straps, pretty standard stuff. I felt pretty comfortable weaving it through the Squadron fabric back panel. It didn't feel stiff like a lot of moly straps do, and it was pretty easy to snap in, but definitely felt secure, so that was nice. Again, a unique and cool little lightweight setup. Definitely felt like good quality. I like the stitching, I like the color. Some of this stuff looks different. The Squadron fabric back panel is unique, but it's pretty common now, and a lot of the bugs have been worked out. Moving on to the sidecar pouch, you can see a lot of the same assembly techniques. This is the same Cordura material, comes in all the same colors, equally as good stitching and zipper. Also uses moly to adhere. Comes in all the same colors. I found it super easy, just like the back pouch, to assemble. Obviously there's not a lot of moly to run through, and the snaps are super strong, which is always good. It comes with these nifty Bino retention straps with clips. There's 2 of them, 1 for either side. They work in conjunction with the magnetic quick close system, so you can attach your binos here and quickly reach in and grab them suckers when you need them. As for me, I'm going to take this bad boy fly fishing with me. I think that's a good use for this system. So again, this is the ColeTac Quick-Close Bino Pack, sidecar pouch and back pouch. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, plus have a good day. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for new content.